Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to our online classes. Now, today onwards, we'll start our next chapter of English grammar, that is tense. Okay, past tense. Now, as you all are aware that there are four different types of tense, that is past tense, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now, let us start our first tense, that is simple past tense. Okay. Now, students, what do you mean by simple past tense? In simple past tense, you use an affirmative subject plus verb. In negative, you will use subject plus did plus not plus verb. Okay. And in interrogative, you use did plus subject plus verb and interrogative mark. Okay. Now, in simple past tense, there are means two types of verbs, that is regular verbs and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are written by adding d or ed in the verbs. Okay. Now let us go through few regular verbs. Now see the example of regular verb. Here, he talked loudly in class last week. Talk, talked. Ed is added to talk. Okay. Now, the next is she combed her hair just now. Combed. Your next example is they watched the movie last night. Watched. Okay. Now, these are few examples of regular verbs. Now, let us go through the example of irregular verbs. Now, first of all, students, irregular verbs are not formed by adding d or ed. Here, the verb form is changed. Okay, just see over here. Eat, ate. Example is Jenny ate an orange. Now, next example is drink, drank. This morning I drank a glass of orange juice. Okay. This is all about simple past tense in regular and irregular verbs. Now, let us go through the next tense, that is past continuous tense. Let us let us study the rules first of past continuous tense. Now, first is affirmative. Now, in continuous tense, you will use subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing. Okay. Then in negative, you will use subject again plus was or were plus not because it is negative plus verb plus ing. Okay. And in interrogative, you will use was, were plus subject plus verb plus question mark. Okay. Now, let us study the definition in detail about past continuous tense. Now, students, the past continuous tense refers to a continuing action, okay, or state that was happening at the same point in the past, okay, means it refers to the action which continues and the action which was happening at the point in the past, okay. Now, let us go through the examples of past continuous tense. As I told you that we use ing and with the subject was and were. Okay, was or were. Just see the example. I was reading my book last night. The next example is he was driving when we saw him. Okay, now again the related examples of continuous tenses. They were working every day after school. Our English was improving. They were growing up so quickly. Okay. Now, this is all about past continuous tense. Now, let us move on to our next type, that is past perfect tense. First, let me give you a short definition for past perfect tense. Now, students, when two actions completed in the past tense shows which action completed before the other one. Okay, means here you will see that which action completed first and which completed after. Okay, you can also say that to express an action completed before a given moment in the past. Okay, now here just see the example. When he arrived to the train station, the train had left. Means see what is your past perfect? 9 a.m. and 15 minutes passed. Okay, and when he reached the station, the train had left. And when I or you will say the sentence, how you will say that the train had left before we reached the station. Is that clear? Now, here let us study the rule for perfect tense. See, subject plus had plus verb for affirmative. Okay. The next is negative, that is subject plus had plus not plus verb. Of course, in interrogative, as always, subject come afterwards. So first you will use had, then subject, then verb, and as usual the mark. Okay. Now these are the common rules. Okay. Now let us proceed with an example of past perfect tense. Now see here, when we reached the school, the bell had already rung. Okay. Or if I say, I had finished the interview by 1 p.m. Okay. And also, he had returned the letter. These are few examples. Now, your last tense is past perfect continuous tense. Okay. Now, first of all, let us study in detail that what do you mean by past perfect continuous tense. First of all, students, the tense is used to express the continuity of an action at a given point in the past. Okay. And also, if I say that it was continuing at that time and probably continued after that also. Okay. Now, students, in this, if you see that the proper rule for writing past perfect continuous tenses had plus been plus verb plus ing. Okay. Now, see the example. I had been working all afternoon. You had been listening to the radio. Next is he had been sweeping in the floor. Okay. Now the another example for continuous tenses. The boys had been playing soccer for about an hour when it started to rain. Okay. And the next example is the plumber had been fixing the water tap for 2 hours. Okay. I hope you have understood it. Now, thank you. This is all about the chapter. And previous chapter exercise, few students have sent me, and others, please make sure that send all the chapters before I give the exercise of this chapter. Okay. If any doubts, you can contact me, and very soon I'll update the answers for this chapter also. Okay. Thank you.